Day 18. We are fastly approaching Christmas Day. Can you believe it? This year has been bananas. Last I remember it was February, then all of a sudden it was September, and now we're in December. Not a whole lot exciting going on today, so this may be either too much boring stuff in a short period of time, or very short and concise and not sure yet. I have a lot of cleaning to do. I have stuff in the dryer. I have ironing in my future again, because that's what happens when you buy new fabrics. Everything goes through the wash and it has to be trimmed and ironed. And last I checked on my Spoonflower fat quarters, they were one large ball of threads in the washer. So I will definitely be untangling and ironing that, because a couple of things in there are Christmas gifts that I need to, actually Christmas presents for a get together on Monday, which I need to get my act together and do those pretty fast. Other than that, I had painted our banister in our living room this past fall before I knew if any shows or anything were going to go off. And as things go, we had a white painted banister. I'll try to take a couple of pictures later. And I painted it this bohemian black color that is beautiful. It's got a tiny hint of like a deep purple tone to it. And then that blossomed into changing all the paint color in the living room. And we have 20-foot ceilings in our living room. Good thing I don't mind ladders. So I painted that and the entire room, mostly a medium sort of tealy turquoisey color. And then there's a wall of very, very light green, almost looks white. And then some white with some black details. And then that moved into where we have our media room, TV area. And of course I can't do anything easy, so I decided I'd paint the ceiling. And then I figured out shows were gonna go off, so I had to kind of give it up. So the point of the story is the cleaning today comes down to, I left a huge box of rollers, paint stirrers, screwdrivers, painting hooks, all this kind of crazy stuff in the living room, as well as a paint ladder that's we've been staring at for, oh, I don't know, 3 months, thinking that we'd just jump back into it. Well, that just hasn't happened. So I'm going to clean some of it up today, put away what I don't need. I did patch my hallway yesterday, and maybe I can give you a little art tour down the wall today. And cleaned all that up. But the paint thing is just ridiculous. That, and I also have been mosaicing my fireplace in our, what is now our dining room. Used to be, we switched it around. When the house was built, it was originally a family room. And I'm almost to the end of that project, but now I've got to get, I'm doing a glass tile background, and all of the glass tiles that fit around designs I've done have to be ground down because they are super sharp. And I've been procrastinating getting the grinder out. So I also have all this mosaic stuff in my dining room. Such is the creative mind, right? I talked about it yesterday. Chaotic, creative, messy, organized mess. So I'm doing that stuff today, and I'll film as much as I can for today, but it maybe peeks into the washing machine. Uncertain. We'll see. Wherever you are, I hope you're having a fabulous day and you do something creative.
Dusty. Yeah. The laundry that I mentioned yesterday.
Here's the art wall that runs downstairs in our house, and it's just sort of a collection of fun photographs and memories from over the years. My daughter's graduation picture, her dad's graduation picture, their babies when they were little. They used to be cute. Then they grow up. Photographs from some of my favorite photographers. The roses there are just absolutely gorgeous. My son, some memorabilia. Happy us. Wedding picture. Things we've collected, some of my art. Those are old. Those are my dad's side of the family back in the early years. Some more artist collection stuff. That's everybody. Art friends. And some of you might recognize the Buca de Beppo mustache photo. That was a fun night. And then my favorite creatures. Choosing music is also a time sucker. Too many choices.